Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to unlock card on the TD Bank app. First you want to come here and tap to open the main menu on the app. Go ahead and tap on that. And then I want you to come here and tap account services section. Okay, click on this. Now you want to come here and tap on debit and ATM cards. So you can go ahead and manage a new or existing card to get started. So click on this. Okay, choose that option. Now here under manage cards, you will need to select lock or unlock a card. Okay, click on that, just tap on that, and now, if you're a Zelle customer, your Zelle account will be disabled if you send or receive money while your debit card is locked. That's for lock, and you can also go ahead and unlock it if you want. Same process. Okay, so here it is basically locked, and if you want to unlock it, right, so you just slide this toggle to lock it, and if you ever want to unlock it, you just toggle this back off. Okay, it's the same process. You just toggle it off. Look, if I toggle this one off, we will have unlocked our card. Your card is now unlocked. You'll basically see this confirmation that your card has been unlocked. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.